Good morning, students. So today in our maths class we will do chapter 11 construction. So we will do exercise 11.2, that is construction of triangle when the different conditions are given. So our first question is to construct the triangle ABC in which base is given, in which base angle is given, and in which the sum of other two sides is given. So here we have all the measurements. So using this we will construct the triangle. Let us start. First of all, we have to make base BC is equal to 4 centimeter. So using the scale, you will draw a line segment that is 4 centimeter. So name these points B, C. This is 4 centimeter. Now the next step is the base angle is given, that is 60 degrees. So at point B we will construct 60 degrees. So how we will construct 60 degrees, that already I have told you. Using the compass, placing it at point B, we will construct 60 this way. Then placing it here. So let this point be M. Let this point be M. Then join BM and extend it. We'll get a ray that is BX. Here we have BX. What is the next step now? We have the addition of other two sides, that is 7 centimeters. So AB and AC is 7. So now on this ray we'll cut an arc of 7 centimeter. Then we'll get a point D. So BD will be equal to 7. So how to mark that arc? Using the scale and compass we'll measure which 7 centimeter. So this way we will measure 7 centimeter using the compass and scale. So this is our 7. This is 7 centimeter. So with the same width, placing it at B, taking its center, this is an arc whose length is, this full length BD will be 7 centimeter. So now the next step is we have to join this point D and C with the scale. The next step now, we have to make two equal angles. This angle and at point C means equal to this angle at D, we have to make the angle at C. How? See it. First of all, use the compass. So this is the angle at B. Now with the same width, mark here at C. Let it be opened. Now measure its width. Measure the width of this angle at point D. Its width is this much. This much. Understanding? So the same width we'll make here, placing the compass here. So hence we'll make these two angles equal. Now let this point be M dash. So join C and M dash with the help of scale. Let this CM dash intersect the ray BX at point A. So this CM dash will intersect this BX at point A. Hence we'll get this triangle ABC, which is required. This is the shaded region. So this shaded part is our required triangle. Have you got it how to make? Now this was the construction. Now we have to make to justify it. How we'll justify it? Steps you will write yourself. You will write steps in the short, whatever I spoke. while constructing. Now justification, what we have, we know that this angle and this angle, these both angles are equal. Angle, suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, so these both angles are equal. Now in this triangle ADC, if these two angles are equal, then their opposite sides will also be equal. So this we have to write. Understanding? So start it. Angle ADC is equal to angle D, या फिर लिख लो ACD. So this is by construction. This is the reason. Next, if these two angles are equal, then their opposite sides will also be equal. Corresponding to this angle, what is the opposite side? That is AC. And corresponding to this angle, what is opposite side? That is AD. So AC will be equal to AD. We have this theorem that sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. So next, we have this BD. Okay. See, what is BD? BD can be written as BA plus AD. Can you write BD as this plus this? So let us write BD is equal to BA plus AD. So BA तो वैसा का वैसा ही लिखो. अब AD की जगह पे instead of AD, can you write AC? Because already we have proved it earlier. So we have written here, instead of this AD, we can write AC. So this was our main, this we have justified that why we constructed this BD as 7 centimeter. So this we have justified that AB plus AC is equals to BD. Hence, it's justified. Thank you. So here we have question of exercise 11.2, class 9th, that we have to construct a triangle when the difference of the sides, two sides is given. See, here we have a question, that is, we have to construct triangle in which base is given and base angle is given and the difference of two sides, other two sides is given. Previously what we did, the addition of two sides, other two sides. Here we have difference of two sides. अब ये देखो कि difference can be in two ways. Suppose we have this triangle ABC. Difference can be AB minus AC, first thing, or difference can be, see this base already is given, now we are left with these two sides. The difference can be either AB minus AC or the difference can be AC minus AB. So two kind of difference can be given in the question. So we will do these both type of constructions. Understood? So first we are given AB minus AC. So now let us start the construction. First of all, we will construct the base. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So construct the base first. Here we have point B and C up to 8 centimeter. So mark these points B and C. Then next is given base angle 45 degree, angle B. So you know very well how to construct 45. First of all, we have to make 90 degree, then we have to bisect that. देखो bisect वाला भी part इसी में cover हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So this I am going to construct first 90. Keep on looking. Same width. So here we have 90 degree. We'll join this intersection point and B. So this will be a 90, but 90 is not required. We need 45. So what will be 45? It will be bisection of 0 and 90. So here is 0 and here is 90. So you know very well how to bisect. Open it more than half and mark an arc. Same way, placing it here on 90, mark an arc with the same width. We'll get this intersection point. Now join it and we'll get 45 degree, which is required in this construction. So we'll get a ray BX. This BX is making angle 45 at B. Now next we are given this difference. So on this ray BX we have to mark an arc that will be 3.5 and name that point D. So how we'll do it? Using the scale. Measure 3.5 first of all. This is 3.5. Sorry, this is 4.5, na? This is 3.5. This much. So here, placing it at B with the radius 3.5, we'll mark an arc and name that point as D. So BD is equals to the difference given. Now the next step was we have to join D and C with the scale. Steps you will write as I'm speaking. Okay? I'll not tell you how to write steps. Next is, previously what we did, we made two angles equal. Now in this difference part, we'll do perpendicular bisector of this DC. So you know very well how to make perpendicular bisector. Place it at C, open it more than half. आपको पता ही है ना, इसका हाफ कहीं यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ आइडिया सा है, तो इससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा खोल लो आप, ठीक है. सो ओपन इट मोर देन हाफ. दिस कंपास, open it more than half and mark an arc up and down. Sorry, make sure that your compass should not be loose. Okay. So again, I'm going to make perpendicular bisector. Up and down, I'll mark the arcs. Again, placing at point D with the same width. Up and down, I'll mark the arcs. And I'll name these points. You can name them anyhow. So now join these two intersection points. Now, wherever it meets this BX will be the point A. But actually, we need to elongate it more. So, we'll extend it. BX will be extended and this as well. So, here it intersect the previous line array, that is BX. So wherever this perpendicular bisector intersect BX, name that point A. So ABC will be your required triangle. Understood? So you will shade, or just simply you will write that ABC is the required triangle. Now we have to justify it. It's very simple. See, what is AD and AC? Both are equal. How they are equal? We have already constructed. So by construction they are equal. See, AC and this same width is of AD. So both are equal by construction. So first step, what you will write in justification, that is AD is equals to AC by construction. Next step, what is BD? What BD you chose? You chose it the difference. So BD, actually what is BD here? BD is equals to this full BA minus AD. Understanding? What is BD? BD क्या है, इस पूरी लेंथ को जब इस लेंथ में से इसको माइनस कर दोगे then you will get BD. So let us write BD is equals to AB minus AD. So instead of this AD we can write AC. So BD is equals to AB minus AC. Hence this we have justified that why we chose BD as the difference. AB minus AC 3.5 लिखा था ना हमने BD. So this is our justification. Hence justified. So the now the next part of this difference in constructing the triangle, that was AC minus AB. So we'll do that also. So let us do the next construction. We have the question, we have to construct the triangle ABC in which BS is 6, angle is 60 and the difference is AC minus AB is equals to 2. So let us start without wasting time. Draw base BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Next is angle 60 degree. It's very simple. Using the compass, placing at point B, draw 60. Construct 60 with the same width. I'll mark. Now join it with the scale. Make sure that your pencil must be sharp. So this is the ray BX which is making 60 degree at B. Next step is we have to mark 2 centimeters. So what will be 2 centimeter for this? If it is AC minus AB, then you have to make an arc BD such that it will be on the downside of this B, पीछे की तरफ. ठीक है, इसको पहले extend करो आप. Now I have extended it backward, downside. So now mark an arc with the center B of 2 centimeters. So we'll get that arc, name that point D. So BD will be equal to 2 centimeter. First of all, measure it with the compass and scale. So this is 2. Now downside will mark 2 centimeter, an arc of 2 centimeter. So name this point as D. So this is the just difference between the first part and this now. Understood? BD you have to take downside of B. Now the next step is same. We have to join D and C. Next step we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. आपको बनाना आता है अच्छे से. First of all, place at C and open it more than half. Mark an arc up and down. Again for D, up and down with the same width. So it is meeting here. Okay, this and this. So it is here. Now we'll join these two intersection points. Wherever it intersects, this perpendicular bisector will intersect somewhere on this ray BX. Name that point as A. So now ABC is a required triangle. Understood? Let me join AC. You can shade it or just simply write that ABC is the required triangle. Now last step that is left is justification. So how to justify is, we have AD is equal to AC. How? AD is equal to AC by construction. Already we have AD is equal to AC. क्योंकि जब आप perpendicular bisector बनाते हो तो ये AD will be equal to AC by construction. So first step, write it by construction. Next we have to look for BD. What is BD? Please tell. BD क्या है? BD ये फुल AD में से अगर आप AB को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो then you will get BD. So we can write BD as AD minus AB. But instead of this AD, what you will write? We'll write AC. AC minus AB. Hence this was the justification that why we chose BD as the difference 2 centimeter. AC minus AB. Understood? So this is a justification. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.